Want to make your text look stressed in Canva? In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. First, launch your Canva. Now type out your text and choose a bold font for maximum effect. You're going to find the font option at the top right. Now from the list of font, you can just select it. Once we're done with the text, you will need to download it. For that, click on the option share given at the top right. Click on the option download. Click on this drop down and select PNG. Enable for the option transparent background and then click on download. Once you have downloaded this, delete the original text from your design and re-upload the PNG. Now you'll need to use this tool, crop, then select freeform. With your image selected, hold down the shift key while dragging the corners. This lets you freeform crop and stretch the text as wide or as tall as you want without losing quality. And that's it. This is how you can stretch text in Canva. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.